Hi everyone, it's Sandy here, Kentucky Crafter. If you are new, welcome. I wanted to give a quick update on the going-ons in my life and also a quick update on the giveaway that I have going on now through April 2nd. So first off, on the giveaway, um, check out that other video. I will link it down below, but I'm giving away a bunch of Tim Holtz stuff. And I also said I was going to give away a soft-sided journal made by me. And I finally decided on what I'm going to do. So I'm going to use this Daphne's Diary magazine. And this is going to be the cover of the journal. And then I am going to flip through here and pick out some pages from this journal or from this magazine to put into the journal. And plus I'll pull out some of my vintage papers that I have and include those as well. So it's not going to be heavily decorated. I might put maybe a few pockets in there, and I'll probably do a little bit of sewing on the cover just for kind of fun. So anyway, so that is the journal that'll be part of that giveaway. So if you haven't entered yet, go to that first video and make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. That way you will be entered into it. And in that video, I have all the different entry criteria of what you need to do. So yeah, so I'm super excited, finally using a Daphne's Diary magazine to make a journal, and excited to have it be part of the giveaway. I'm going to have to try to decide and pick like that. I think that'll definitely be a cool page to put in there. So I'll have to go through and decide on which pages I want to use. So the other thing I just wanted to give a quick update. My back is definitely feeling better. It's not 100%, but I am up and moving, and I'm going to start physical therapy, and I think that'll also help strengthen my back. I have just I think it's 4 herniated discs in my lower back, and I've had it for a long time, and it hasn't flared up since 2013. But between my surgeries and the new grandbaby being born and helping out my daughter and son-in-law, I just was very neglectful in my core exercises and walking, and I think that just triggered it. So, tough lesson for me. I got to make sure I keep up on my exercises. I'm excited though, with retirement coming, I'll definitely have no excuses to keep up on my exercising and things like that. So I appreciate all the well wishes from everybody on my back. And oh, excuse me, you all. Didn't mean to sneeze on camera. The next thing I wanted to give an update on are my eyes. So as you all know, back in October, I had my retina detached from my right eye, and so I had to have surgery to fix that, and that went well, but it caused a cataract in my right eye, which is something that happens with that type of surgery. So then on March 9th, I had cataract surgery on my right eye, and that went well. And then just on Wednesday of this week, the 23rd, I had cataract surgery on my left eye. And they had told me that I had the start of a cataract in my left eye. And so they recommended doing the cataract surgery in that eye as well. So that, because my prescription, I'm very, very, or I was very nearsighted. And so to have my right eye be near perfect vision and then my left eye be very nearsighted, my brain, I think, would have freaked out. So they did the cataract surgery on my left eye, and that went well. So I'm just so relieved. I didn't really realize how much of a weight all that was weighing on me until after that surgery on Wednesday. I feel like a whole new person. Just I'm glad it's all past me. Knock on wood, it's going to continue to, heal, and it's looking good so far. So I think that's a good thing. But I'm just, oh, it's like a whole new day, and so I'm super excited. And then my eyesight, the way they adjusted my left eye, I think crafting is not going to be an issue. I'm now farsighted. So it's like I'm having to learn how to completely see a different way than all my life where I was nearsighted. But it's coming along nicely, and I'm just so excited. Um, I have 4 more days of work, and then I will be officially retired. So I'm super excited about that as well. Oh, this is another pretty page that'll be in the journal. Oh, all of these here, yeah. Shoo, nice. And that's even a fun page. But anyway, I just wanted to pop on here real quick and let you all know what the single signature journal will be for the giveaway. And make sure you go to the other video and enter on that video, and just give you an update on what's been going on with me and why you haven't seen me that much on YouTube. But I appreciate everybody's patience and support. So yeah, I will be posting more videos here. I'm behind on several different videos, and I'm still going to do them and post them. Like I have a St. Patrick's Day part 2. And even though I missed St. Patrick's Day because I was flat out in bed, I'm still going to, show you all that door sign, because I think it's going to be cute. So anywho, all right. Well, you all have a great, wonderful Friday, and I will see you all here on the next video. Love y'all. Bye.